The bitter taste is one that many people typically dislike or avoid, but bitter foods are known to have a variety of digestive health benefits. In this video, we're discussing the digestive health benefits of bitter foods and tell you 7 bitter foods that can enhance your digestion. Embracing bitter foods in your diet can lead to a healthier, more balanced diet and improved gut health. Understanding bitters. Bitters are compounds that are naturally present in a variety of foods and herbs known for their distinctive bitter taste. They play a crucial role in the digestive processes by activating the bitter taste receptors located on the tongue. This activation signals the body to start the digestive process by increasing the production of digestive enzymes, saliva, and stomach acid. The presence of bitters in the diet helps break down food more efficiently, enhances the absorption of nutrients, and reduces digestive discomfort such as bloating and gas. The concept of bitters as a digestive aid is not new. It has been a cornerstone in herbal medicine across various cultures for centuries. Traditional practices often include the consumption of bitter herbs and foods both before and after meals to stimulate digestion and support liver function. Modern research suggests that these traditional uses, highlighting the role of bitters in stimulating bowel production, which is essential for digesting fats and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. The top 7 bitter foods for digestive health. The bitter taste in certain foods is caused by bioactive compounds found within them. When they interact with the tongue, the taste stimulates bile production, which supports digestion. While there are many bitter foods that exist, we will share some of the top bitter foods for digestive health. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens like kale, mustard greens, collards, turnip greens, broccoli rabe, radicchio, chicory, and endive are excellent digestive bitters. Plus, they are highly nutritious foods rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with minerals like iron and calcium. The bitterness of these greens signals your digestive system to kick into gear, promoting the secretion of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a vital role in chemical breakdown of food, ensuring that nutrients are more accessible and easily absorbed by the body. Artichokes. Artichokes are another great bitter food. They contain cynarin, which not only lends a unique bitter taste, but also is scientifically proven to stimulate bile production. This process is crucial for the digestion and absorption of dietary fats and the soluble vitamins that accompany them, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. The high fiber content in artichokes further aids in digestive health, helping to prevent constipation and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens have a very bitter taste and have been treasured historically for their medicinal properties, particularly as a digestive tonic. These greens contain taraxacin, which stimulates digestion by promoting the liver to increase bile flow. An increase in bile not only aids in the digestion of fats, but also helps to gently detoxify the liver, boosting its efficiency and overall digestive health. Grapefruit. The distinct bitterness of grapefruit comes from naringin, a flavonoid not only impacts metabolic syndrome but also has anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can relieve the inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, ensuring a smoother digestive process. Bitter melon. Bitter melon is particularly noted for its role in regulating blood sugar levels, which is an integral aspect of overall metabolic health affecting digestion. The compounds in bitter melon, such as charantin, mimic insulin's effects and ensure that nutrients from food are used effectively by the body. Its fiber content also aids in slowing down carbohydrate digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar, and supporting a steady digestive process. Radicchio. Radicchio's bitterness is complemented by its richness in inulin. This soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, which is an essential for fostering a thriving environment of beneficial gut bacteria. These microbes play a critical role in breaking down food, synthesizing certain vitamins, and protecting against harmful bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome is vital for effective digestion and can also improve the immune system's function. Ginger. Ginger, with its spicy and bitter flavor profile, has been a cornerstone in traditional medicine for its role in alleviating gastrointestinal distress. A unique digestive bitter, it stimulates the production of saliva and digestive enzymes, making the digestive process more efficient and reducing symptoms such as nausea and indigestion. Additionally, gingerol, the main bioactive compound in ginger, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, contributing to the overall health of the digestive tract. The impact of bitters on digestive health. The inclusion of bitter foods in the diet has a multifaceted impact on digestive health. By stimulating the digestive system at the outset of a meal, bitters prepare the body for efficient digestion and absorption of nutrients. This not only helps in digesting the current meal, but also in maintaining a healthy digestive system in the long run. Digestive bitters can alleviate common digestive issues by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down food particles. enhancing the secretion of bile from the liver, aiding in the digestion of fats and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, promoting a healthy gut microbiome by fostering an environment that supports beneficial bacteria, regulating the appetite and reducing cravings for overall sweet foods can disrupt digestive health. The importance of bitter foods for digestion cannot be overstated. As we explore the benefits of these foods, it becomes clear that the bitter taste, often avoided or masked, is, in fact, a natural ally in promoting digestive health. By integrating the 7 bitter foods listed here into your daily diet, you can take a proactive step towards enhancing your digestive efficiency and overall health. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of tastes is the key to a healthy and vibrant life. Thanks for watching. I hope you found something useful.